Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now we'll look at the headlines. Konkan Railway traffic resumes after the accident on Sunday at Nagothane. Accident claims 22 lives till now, 169 under treatment, 24 critical. Political spat over Daboli between Sudhin Dhawlikar and Movin. Sudhin discards Movin completely. Movin confirms his BJP entry. CBI to probe Goa's coal block allocation files of Chhattisgarh. Asked for 38 files, GIDC claims that investigation will not hamper power prospects of Goa. $192 MLG water supply upgradation in pipeline. New bridge at Kortali within next 4 years. PWD Minister Sudhin Dhawlikar tells media. And ONGC Dehradun win All India Volleyball Championship. Kerala's BPCL emerged runners-up. Haryana State IDC finished third. Now the news in detail. Konkan Railway traffic has finally resumed. The death toll of victims in Sawantwadi-Diwa train accident has reached 22 now. 169 passengers are injured, out of which 24 are critical. Diwa-Sawantwadi train accident had disrupted Konkan Railway traffic for almost 19 hours. Engine and 4 bogies of the train derailed on Nagothane-Roha route on Sunday. Goa-bound 5 express trains were cancelled. Other trains were diverted through Londa route.
The death toll in Sawantwadi-Diwa train accident at Raigad-Nagothane has touched 22. 169 passengers are injured, out of which 24 are critical. Rail traffic of Konkan Railway had come to a halt after Sawantwadi-Diwa passenger train derailed at Raigad-Nagothane. After 19 hours, Konkan Railway Corporation declared the route to be clear and safe. Konkan Railway traffic resumed from Monday wee hours. First train departed at 5 o'clock on Monday morning. Later, Hazrat Nizamuddin Trivandrum Rajdhani Express began its journey along with CST Mangalore Express. The track clearing work was on whole night on war footing. The bogies were removed with the help of cranes. PRO of Konkan Railway Corporation Baban Ghatge told Prudent that Goa-bound trains have resumed their services from early morning on Monday.
सकाळी ट्रॅक रिस्टोर झालो सकाळी 5 आणि सगळे ट्रेन आता रिज्यूम झाले आमचे.
इवन गोवा बाउंड सगळे ट्रेन आहात स्मूथली
दिल्ली वचपाक सगळे खूप आज काय कॅम्पट ना फक्त काय जितले डायव्हर्ट केल्ले आशिल्ले तितले फाटल्यान वेळ घेतला.
Diwa-Sawantwadi's passenger train had derailed between Nagothane and Roha station on Konkan Railway route. Engine and 4 bogies of the train had derailed at 9:40 on Sunday morning. Konkan Railway route was suspended. 5 trains were cancelled and many passenger trains were diverted through other alternative routes like Londa, Miraj, Pune, Lonavala, Panvel. Railway Ministry has ordered an inquiry into the accident. Railway Ministry has declared ex gratia of ₹2 lakh to the kins of victims and ₹50,000 for the injured. Bureau Report Prudent.
The battle over Daboli seat between Movin Gudino and Sudhin Dhawlikar is heating up. Sudhin Dhawlikar claims that Daboli was always MGP's domain and party will contest any assembly seat election in Daboli. Dhawlikar has slammed Movin and cleared that party will never absorb dissidents like Movin Gudino. On the other side, Movin has confirmed his BJP entry. He has also slammed Dhawlikar brothers and has said that Daboli seat is not their fiefdom.
Sudhin Dhawlikar, MGP head and PWD minister, has totally written off Movin Gudino from his list of allies. Dhawlikar says MGP candidate will contest Daboli seat and there will be no compromise on this issue.
2016 नंतर जे जनरल इलेक्शन येतले थंय युतीच्या राजकारणात तो सीट आमचो आसतलो, कारण आमी तो लूज जाला फक्त 800 मतांनी आणि अशी आयडेंटिटी आमकां आशिल्ली. आज मोविना ही आयडेंटिटी काँग्रेसीन दिल्ली आसा. आमकां अशा मनशाची, म्हाका तरी अशा मनशाची मात्तूय गरज ना. मोगो पक्षान स्पश्ट भुमिका घेतल्या. एमजीचो सीट आसा म्हणटकीर एमजी लढयतली न्ही. MGP चं हें आसा, MG लढयतली आणि MG म्हणटा ते बसच्या बदलू धोरण स्पश्ट आशिल्ल्या कारणान सोमागोम्याक MG घेवची ना.
On the other hand, Mervyn has slammed Dhavlikar brothers of being selfish. Indirectly, Mervyn has hinted that he will be a big barrier if MGP tries to enter Dabolim constituency.
Now, will you be comfortable on a MGP symbol or you want BJP symbol?
There is no question of MGP being there. Maybe there was an understanding between them and they were saying that it is a MG seat. What is the MGP today? In fact, I feel that Dhavlikar brothers should say Dhavlikar brothers party. MGP उरोना कित्याक दोन भाव elect जावन येता, दोनूय मंत्री जावपाक सोदता, म्हणजे तेय स्वार्थाक, आपल्या स्वार्थाक.
So no question of MGP.
Dabolim is not the personal fiefdom of the Dhavlikar brothers or of MGP.
Mervyn has almost confirmed of quitting Congress and entering BJP in our weekly head-on.
Nation towards BJP would not change depending upon the results of Lok Sabha election.
Yes, I want to make a categorical statement in that regard. That it is not that I am waiting for BJP to come to power at the center to take a decision. I think more or less my decision is taken. As far as I am concerned, I am very clear that I want to go to a leader who can utilize my services well, in whom I have faith, and whom I have faith can do something really something good for Goa. And I think I have found that leader, and it is under his leadership that I will land in a certain party.
So you have found that leadership in Manohar Parrikar.
Yes.
Okay.
There is no doubt about that.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
38 files pertaining to the Goa's coal block in Chhattisgarh will be submitted to the CBI for a probe. The process has begun as the CBI has sought documents from the Goa IDC on IDC's coal block. CBI is investigating nationwide coal block allotments under the Coal Ministry. When questioned whether CBI probe will delay Goa's coal extraction and power project in Chhattisgarh, sources in GIDC claimed that the process of seeking lease for the coal block will not get hampered. Goa government has appointed GIDC as a nodal agency for its coal block in Chhattisgarh. The block was allotted to the Goa IDC in the year 2008. Following expose of coal block allotment scam under the Coal Ministry, Goa IDC's coal block 2 has come under CBI scanner. CBI has sought the files from the Goa government. GIDC will soon submit 38 files to the CBI for investigation. According to the sources, files from the Directorate of Industries, Trade and Commerce and from the Office of Secretary to the Department of Industry are being scanned. Officials from IDC are scanning remaining files. The Goa Industrial Development Corporation, the nodal agency appointed by the state government to comply with formalities for activating the block as well as getting various clearances, will submit the required documents to the CBI. Nearly 38 files will be submitted to the CBI. GIDC is still to get all the required permission. Till now, GIDC has got forest and environmental clearance from the Ministry of Environment and Forest for its coal block in Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh government is yet to award a lease, which GIDC hopes will get after 16th May. When questioned whether CBI probe will delay Goa's coal extraction and power project in Chhattisgarh, sources in GIDC feel that the process of seeking lease for the coal block will not get hampered and they will have nothing to hide. Reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent. For a short break, stay tuned.